Today we're going to make strawberry lemonade concentrate, and we're going to use our Presto electric canner for the very first time. Joan's filling the canner with water and getting the jars ready. We bought our strawberries from a local farm, and for this recipe the berries need to be washed and cored. While she's coring them, she's inspecting them to make sure they're good and clean. It takes about 6 cups of berries to make 1 batch of concentrate. Next, it's off to the food processor to get pureed until smooth. While that's happening, Joan's getting the rest of the ingredients together. It takes a lot of lemon juice and a lot of sugar to make this concentrate. I mentioned there was a lot of lemon juice and a lot of sugar, right? Once everything is assembled, it's to the stove for a bit of cooking. Near the end of the cooking process, it'll develop a lot of foam. You want to skim the foam off of the top. I don't know why, that's just what the instructions said we're supposed to do. After the concentrate's been cooked and skimmed, fill your canning jars to within 1/4 of an inch of the top, and then process them according to the ball recipe. Once they're done processing, take them out, set them on a towel to cool. You want to try to avoid tipping them so the seals stay intact.
Yep, I need more strawberries.
She's not wrong.